kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and safe at your home. Today I'm going to take our English class. Today I'm going to teach the long A sound words. What are the words coming under the long A vowel sound? We'll learn one by one. See, have a look here. What are the words? First word is, what is this? Apron. Hmm. What is the pronunciation of this word? Apron. Apron. The A sound is coming. A, not A. Apron. This is the long vowel A sound word. Apron. Apron. Next. APE. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of apron? Apron means a protective cloth worn during cooking. When mommy is cooking in the kitchen, he wears this cloth. This is the protective cloth. When we are cooking, her mommy is cooking, he wears this protective cloth that is known as apron. Next one, APE. Have a look here. APE. What is the pronunciation of this word? Ape. Ape. Ape is one type of monkey. Monkey. One type of monkey. What is the pronunciation of this word? Ape. Ape is coming under long A vowel sound word. Next one is APRICOT. APRICOT. This is the short vowel sound word. This is the not long vowel sound word. This is the pronunciation of apricot. Apricot. Not apricot. 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 Okay. Apricot is one type of fruit. Okay. Next one is ANGEL. What is the pronunciation of this word? Angel. Angel. Angel means the messenger of God. Messenger of God. Angel. Angel. This is the long A vowel sound word. Next one is ACRON. ACRON. What is the pronunciation of this word? Akron. Not akron. 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 Akron, one type of dry fruit. One type of dry fruit. Akron. Here is question here. Take the word that has beginning sound same as the beginning sound of apple. What is the word coming under same sound of beginning sound of apple? This is apricot. Apricot is same as apple. So you have to take only apricot. Okay. Next one, you have to tick here akron because apple is short vowel sound word. These two are the short vowel sound word. Here, A sound is A, not A. A sound is A, not A. Apricot, akron. So these two are short A vowel sound word. Okay, you have to revise, you have to remember all the words properly, you have to pronounce all the words properly, practice properly. Thank you, bye bye.